Hi, I'm John Benson from Davies, Craig, and today we're going to show you how to avoid an overheating engine. As specialists in the automotive cooling industry, we know a thing or two about keeping engines at optimal temperatures. Throughout the summer months, it's important your car doesn't overheat. Let's look at ways to avoid that. First, ensure you are regularly checking you have the correct amount of coolant in your radiator. You'll need to also check the consistency of your coolant. If it has thickened or turned to sludge in any way, your radiator will be working overtime. Typically, coolant should last between 12 and 24 months. Thoroughly search the radiator and the surrounding hoses for any cracks or leaks. The hoses should be firm and supple, ensuring that they won't crack during hot temperatures. It's always worth carrying a couple of litres of spare water just in case your radiator ever leaks or cracks and you don't have access to coolant. And don't forget to check the radiator cap, because a faulty radiator cap will almost certainly lead to water boiling in your radiator. At first sight, if your engine temperature gauge rising, you should be looking for ways to cool your car down. The issue may be resolved by driving slowly or completely stopping to bring the engine back to an acceptable operating temperature. Now, this may seem counterintuitive, although your car will benefit from turning off the air conditioning and the heater on. Your air conditioning places a heavy load on your engine and will certainly be contributing towards its overheating. Turning the heater on and pointing your vents out the window works to help manoeuvre the hot air from your engine bay away from the overheating parts of your car. In summer, it's important not to put your car through any more stress than it's already in. Be careful not to rev your car unnecessarily or travel for long distances in excessive heat. Towing a heavy boat or caravan and putting your engine under strain could result in your engine overheating. Servicing your car at regular intervals increases your chances of finding any issues before they become big problems. A qualified mechanic is likely to spot small problems that the untrained eye might have missed. So there you have it, a few simple tips you can utilise to prevent an overheating engine. Remember, products such as the Davies Craig range of electric water pumps and thermatic electric cooling fans will drastically improve the cooling capabilities of most cars, allowing you to easily monitor and control your engine's temperature. When it comes to automotive engine cooling and solutions, Davies Craig is an industry leader in design, quality and innovation. Proudly Australian owned and operated, we've been manufacturing and distributing world-class electric water pumps and thermatic electric cooling fans around the world for over 45 years.